Good evening. In just a moment, the chime will sound and it'll be time to get my food. Meanwhile, let me update you. So we had a small malfunction recently. It's not going to happen again. And for now on, microphone's going to be on and things are going to work out just fine. That's what they always say, right? Okay, so let's proceed with the sounding of the chime. It'll be just 1 second and we'll get to hear it.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
Well, that's it. We have our food now. Let's get to opening. Let's get these glasses off. See what they brought us today. I'm anticipating a very large and healthy supper, or dinner, or whatever they want to call it in this country. All right, they're teasing me now with these extra tight knots. We're gonna get this bag open. There we go. Almost. And creating a lot of anticipation here. Okay. This spoon. I anticipate needing both chopsticks and a spoon tonight. Things up. Water. Okay. Again, my room's not self-cleaning. I'll take care of that after. Okay. What we have tonight is 2 waters and this fruity drink. Again, I don't quite know what it is. Well, anyway, it's probably out of focus. It's this little drink. And then we're gonna see if we can get these containers open. Okay. So there's a beef dish, rice, and we've got a salad and a bun and this root-like thing. Might be a yam or something. And then there's soup. Okay, let's get to trying everything here. See what the beef is like. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's some good beef. I believe it's teriyaki beef. Again, light on the teriyaki, but it's good beef. salad dressing is usually some sort of sesame vinaigrette. That's at least what I'm calling it. Let's see what it tastes like tonight. It's gonna be crunchy, I warn you. Crunchy food coming up. Yep, tastes like salad. Now, the yellow thing is slightly pickled, and these buns are always hard to eat with chopsticks, so I'll just pick it up, peel off the paper, and usually there's a sweet fruit in the middle. We'll see what kind it is. It's not a savory bun, I don't think. I don't think there's any meat in it. Get all the paper off. There we go. So, sweet fruit, and this fruit drink, I've never figured out what it is. It's probably some sort of special vitamins to keep our immunity up high. I'm not sure. They're always hard to open too. Let's see what it is today. Still tangy, fruity. It's, I don't know, it's kind of a pineapple-y tropical fruit. I still claim it's a potato soup with small chunks of potatoes. If you've had it before and had this particular restaurant cater to your quarantine hotel, let me know if you disagree. I think really that is about it. What I'm going to do is sign off for now. Then as soon as I finish dinner, I'll give a formal room tour again. This time we're going to feature the technologies. We do have Wi-Fi, we have a television, so I'll go through some of the stations that they offer and try to figure out, there's a room key that activates the whole thing. I leave the room key in the slot and I'll I'll show you where it goes, and I'll use another key that's not a room key. It is a skiing pass from my home ski resort. I'll use that as I'll pretend like I put in the slot, but there's already a key in there. I just don't want the room to be deactivated. It reboots. It's kind of annoying. Now what I'm going to do is sign off using the tone and the call to dinner, and then I'll exit here and see if we could rejoin you after the so again, we'll have the room tour next. That'll be the next video that we'll upload, and then right after that we'll have breakfast in the morning. So goodbye for now.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.